Just when I think I've learned it all.
Quando você chama meu nome, eu vou te ouvir, fala no meu coração. Quando você chama meu nome, eu vou te ouvir, fala no meu coração. Quando você chama meu nome, eu vou te ouvir, fala no meu coração. Quando você chama meu nome, eu vou te ouvir, fala no meu coração.
Let's go.
Quando você chama meu nome, eu vou te ouvir, fala no meu coração. Quando você chama meu nome, eu vou te ouvir, fala no meu coração.
Sometimes we shake a little, sometimes we let it all out. Or if we made a little, bet we would figure it out. Let a man may go, but when this touch turns cold, 'cause you got 20/20 and I don't see it straight. Pictures of white picket fences on a pearly lake. You know it's gonna be a while, so why you in a rush to try?
Okay guys, I'm not yet done with my routine, but I have to go because I have an appointment. So I have to leave so I can still shower and everything. It was very messy today at the gym because I forgot my earphones. So hot. Quickly gonna go shower. I'll see you later. Shower, but I didn't wash my hair because that'll definitely take a lot of time. What I'll be doing today, it's called chin cup fat freezing. It's cryolipolysis, so that also works in your belly, but that's very expensive and I only had a coupon, so that's why. So what we'll be doing, they will be freezing this area in the chin area, and then like for 30 minutes, and then after that they will massage it a bit to like loosen the fats and something, and then after 3 months, they said full effect will be seen in 3 months, but it works very slowly because it allows your body to eliminate the fat through its natural process. So you'll have to take before and after pictures if you really want to see the difference. Eyebrow is life. If I don't have my brows, I usually just wear glasses. Okay. Eye bags. Okay, guys. I'm all set. Let's go. Let's go. Bye.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in.
And then it creates a thing called apoptosis, and then the fat just comes out of the body, right? Yeah. So it's not strong. When you taste it, it'll be some lettuce.
Alive. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shows. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time.
The problem is because these treatments you don't have to do often.
Oh yeah, that one.
So this is HIFU.
You do it.
My skin form. Very hard to do yourself. Even when I used to do it's a minimum, but it keeps working. Keeps working. I think simple. Very.
Would you stay?
What do you want to say to them?
Look forward to seeing you guys. Make sure you tell me that Jessa that you found me on Jessa's
She'll make
channel.
you younger. So you have to come.
Absolutely.
Guys, I'm back home from the grocery and I'm gonna go out with Queenie to have lunch/dinner because we can't cook because the other housemates are here and we think they're gonna be cooking, so we're just gonna go out, have our meal outside, and we'll bring you along with us. So yeah. By the way, I got my glasses from Specsavers. I'm just gonna show you quickly before we leave. So it looks.
I fall asleep at night, holding my pillow like it's your body next to mine. I say it's fine, but that's a bad excuse. I dream of kissing you. I write it off as hormones. Don't wanna face the truth that I keep making every bad excuse.
We got the snowing cheese and the garlic. And we got Korean. Girl, it smells so good, girl.
Tough the way I want it. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. I'm I tell myself to quit, but I can't quit it. I'm way too into how I'm getting too addicted. No, it can't be good, 'cause it feels too good. I know what's wrong, but baby, I'm obsessed with you. My favorite
Dark chocolate. Girl is a chocolate girl. Cappuccino. Cheers, guys.
your cologne, it kinda hasn't hit me. I'm actually alone. Say you're the one, my friends say I'm confused.
Okay, so I'm home already. I just changed into my night clothes. Okay, for the HIFU treatment, I didn't do the cool sculpting, the fat freezing treatment. I didn't do that. I opted to go for the HIFU for my chin, and this is how it looks now. I actually feel it a bit tight, so I hope that works. Did it? But the full results will be seen in 6 weeks. I met Tina, the owner of the clinic, and she's very nice. I'll leave a link to her Instagram and her Facebook page in my description box if you'd like to check her out. She's very professional. I just love the entire experience. I felt very safe for my first time doing HIFU treatment. My experience, it did feel like little pricks, just like the hair laser that I had. You could feel tiny sparks of heat. I'd rate it at 2 out of 10 for pain.
I can't help but love it. Oh my, tell myself to